Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Turtle Tootsie, Just Give Me a Reason, and Cici and Sisi 34 East Side. No style. I'm using Iron Anchor from Anchor and Heart. This is going to be my new trial base coat. And then Turtle Tootsies. Oh, that's so pretty. Just Give Me a Reason from Hella Handmade from April, I think. Girl, I don't know. It's from Hella Handmade, I know that much. So we're going to go in with our first coat of this flaky goodness. Purple flaky goodness. We're going to cap our free edge here real quick. Get this party started. Oh no, that's a whole nother song. We're on Just Give Me a Reason. Never mind. Hi Woody, how you doing? Got a little bit up there too. Get that one. Yep, there you go. Good job. I'm going to go in. I kind of drugged the brush a little bit. My bad. Alrighty, so we're going to go in with our second coat. And it's starting to look more blue, but it really is purple. Today I'm going to be using Pure Ice Girl on the Run as my top coat. Get this one to dry down so we can do some stamping. I'm really excited about some stamping. So there we go. We're going to get it all nice and glossy covered. Capping that free edge. And here's a swatch photo of Just Give Me a Reason. Cici and Sisi 34 East Style is the stamping plate today. I've mentioned this before that Cici and Sisi is no longer a business, but you might be able to find these, like at a D-stash or something. And if you hear some growling or barking in the background, Cotton's losing it. I'll be using pewter from Maniology to stamp with today. My Conad stamper and my Maniology scraper. This is going to be my accent nail stamp right here. These little flowers. I'm going to put that on my thumb and on my ring fingernail. I'm cleaning that stamper off on my lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. I'm just going to go ahead and do both of my accent nails so that I can turn this plate. Get it in position for the other nails. For that image that I want to use. So there we go. This one really was cool. Kind of swirly, water. Kind of crazy. I like it. Alrighty. One down and... well, actually 3 down, now 2 to go. Here we go. I'm going to put that one right there. There we go. And one more. There we go. A lot of really neat images on this plate. And I'm really looking forward to it. Using it again and using it some more. So I can play with some of the other ones. Some of those beautiful images. I am going to use a piece of tape to clean up that excess. And then I run around the nail with my cleanup brush. With some acetone. There we go. I'm going to top everything off with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. There we have that. And next up is Posh. I'm going to cover everything in Posh. Seal it all in, get it to dry down quick, and have that nice, glossy, beautiful finish. I'm a glossy girl. So there we go. I'm going to cut that free edge. I really did like this one. I hope you enjoyed it too. Oh, Woody's back. Hi, Woody. And here's my swatch photo. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.